Good morning, it's Sunday, it's the 16th of July 2017. I say good morning, of course. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, or good night, depending where you are on the world. It's half moon day today at 25 past 8 tonight UTC. Good morning, Nia. At 25 past 8 tonight UTC +1 or BST. The moon is actually 50% full and will be crescent after that. At this moment she is in Aries. She's 55.1% full and she's waning on her way down. And the alignment this morning, she's trine Saturn, so people are thoughtful, shrewd in business matters and tend to find solutions to problems. It's a time for sensitive diplomacy, and be careful you don't step on anybody's tail. Remember people's traditions, particularly on a Sunday. If you're going visiting somewhere today, it might be someone who has a particular tradition on a Sunday, so that's certainly worth thinking about. Mercury is trine Saturn, so it's actually a good time for careful negotiations and bringing things to a sort of satisfactory conclusion. So that all sort of works in together there. Sounds like it could be quite a busy Sunday by the sound of it, and the Sun is square Uranus, so leaders and authorities often struggle, which I quite enjoy watching, to be honest. I know it creates instability, doesn't it, but I think a bit of instability is quite good, keep the old politicians on their toes. Spaceweather.com, the horizon where astrology and science meet up, I think. Spaceweather.com, talking about the CME, the coronal mass ejection, and I mentioned this on Friday. I'm sorry I missed yesterday's, by the way. I had chronic sniffles. I mentioned this on Friday. We've had this sunspot AR2665. It was absolutely ginormous. I mean, in the early days of it, it was twice the size of Earth, and it got a lot bigger and it flung off all kinds of magnetic things. We were pretty sure that by about Thursday it would have burned out, but no, it's still at it. It flung this great big magnetic strand off, headed towards Earth, and it's actually hit our planet today at about, not that long ago, 5:45 UT, which I think is kind of probably about, oh my gosh, only about 3 hours ago as far as I can tell. So there's a 75% chance of G1 or G2 class geomagnetic storms today. Could all be fun, but let's just go back to the main kind of astrology of the day and just, see what's happening. And it's that thing, recapping really, it's that thing about being thoughtful. Think about everything you do today. If you're having a conversation that's important, engage brain before pressing mouth or whatever. I can't remember what it is, but be careful, just tread carefully with people and you should have a really good time. Okay, I'll see you again very soon.